Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, it's Dima Rajab. Greetings to you and welcome to a new lesson in your personal journey to Arabic fluency using Alif B. In the previous lesson, we learned how to get to know Arabic friends. Now, we want to learn how to ask our friends for their phone numbers. We will learn the Arabic numbers from 0 to 9. This will be enough for now, as we can use them to give someone our phone number, passport number, or even our bank account number. So, are you ready? Great, let's get started. The first of the Arabic numeral is واحد. واحد. 1. اثنان. اثنان. 2. ثلاثة. ثلاثة. 3. أربعة. أربعة. 4. خمسة. خمسة. 5. ستة. ستة. 6. سبعة. سبعة. 7. ثمانية. ثمانية. 8. 9. 9. 9. However, what comes before number 1? Isn't there a 0 in Arabic? Yes, sure, there's a 0. Did you know it was the Arabs who invented the number 0? So, how do we say 0 in Arabic? 0 in Arabic is صفر. 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 0. Come on, my friends, let's repeat it together again. صفر. واحد. اثنان. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. ستة. سبعة. ثمانية. 9. Now, let's see how to write these numbers in Arabic. واحد. واحد. 1. Note, the number 1 in Arabic is similar to the number 1 in English. اثنان. اثنان. 2. ثلاثة. ثلاثة. 3. Number 3 in Arabic looks like number 2, but it has 3 nibs on top instead of 2. أربعة. أربعة. 4. Number 4 in Arabic is similar to number 3 in English, just flipped to face the opposite way. خمسة. خمسة. 5. Number 5 in Arabic looks like the number 0 in English. ستة. ستة. 6. سبعة. سبعة. 7. ثمانية. ثمانية. 8. Number 8 in Arabic is the same as number 7, just upside down. تسعة. تسعة. 9. The number 9 in Arabic is similar to number 9 in English, but where's the 0? The 0 in Arabic is symbolized by a dot. Yeah, a dot. That's right. صفر. صفر. 0. Now, my friends, you can easily say your phone number in Arabic. My phone number is صفر. خمسة. ثلاثة. واحد. سبعة. اثنان. ثمانية. تسعة. أربعة. واحد. ستة. 0 5 3 1 7 2 8 9 4 1 6. Which Arabic number is your favorite number? Write it to me in the comments and let me know. Great work! Today we learned the Arabic numbers from 0 to 9. In our upcoming lesson, we will learn the Arabic numbers from 10 to 100. Thank you for your hard work. Stay safe and well. I hope to see you again as you cover new topics and lessons with ألف B. Goodbye. وداعاً. إلى اللقاء.